Question 21. How would you adapt a curriculum to integrate emerging technologies while ensuring academic rigor and relevance to industry standards? Adapting a curriculum involves conducting a thorough needs analysis to understand industry trends and technological advancements. I would collaborate with industry stakeholders, faculty, and students to gather insights. Incorporating hands-on projects, case studies, and guest lectures from industry experts can bridge theoretical knowledge and practical application, ensuring that the curriculum remains relevant and rigorous. Regularly updating course materials and integrating feedback from stakeholders will help maintain a balance between academic integrity and the evolving landscape of technology. Question 22. Describe your experience with continuous integration, continuous deployment, CCD, workflows in an academic setting. In my previous role, I implemented CCD workflows to streamline the software development process for student projects. Using tools like Jenkins and GitHub Actions, I set up automated testing and deployment pipelines. This ensured that students could focus on coding while maintaining code quality and facilitating collaborative work. By integrating CCD into coursework, I not only enhanced the students' technical skills, but also provided them with insights into industry practices. The result was a more engaging learning experience and improved project outcomes, preparing students for future employment. Question 23. What strategies would you employ to troubleshoot a persistent issue in a learning management system, LMS, that affects student access? To troubleshoot an LMS issue, I would first gather specific details from affected users to identify the scope of the problem. Next, I'd check system logs and perform a series of diagnostic tests to isolate the issue. Collaborating with the IT department, I would analyze potential causes, such as server overload or network issues. If the problem persists, I would escalate it to the software vendor for additional support. Throughout the process, clear communication with stakeholders is crucial, keeping students informed of progress and alternative resources available during the downtime. Question 24. How do you ensure cultural inclusivity in your academic programs, especially when working with a diverse student body? To promote cultural inclusivity, I first prioritize understanding the diverse backgrounds of my students through surveys and open dialogues. I then adapt course materials to reflect a variety of cultural perspectives and include content from diverse authors and researchers. Encouraging group projects that require collaboration among students from different backgrounds fosters mutual respect and understanding. Additionally, I organize workshops and discussions focused on cultural competence, which helps create a safe space for dialogue. Regularly soliciting feedback from students allows me to continuously improve and address any emerging concerns related to inclusivity. Question 25. Can you explain how you would evaluate the effectiveness of an academic program using data analytics? Evaluating an academic program using data analytics involves collecting quantitative and qualitative data from various sources, such as student performance metrics, course evaluations, and retention rates. I would utilize tools like Tableau or Power BI to visualize this data effectively. By analyzing trends and patterns, I can identify areas of strength and opportunities for improvement within the program. Additionally, conducting focus groups or surveys allows for qualitative insights that complement the data. This comprehensive analysis informs strategic decisions, enabling targeted enhancements to curriculum, teaching methods, and support services, ultimately improving student outcomes. Question 26. What role does cloud computing play in modern academic research, and how would you incorporate it into your teaching? Cloud computing significantly enhances academic research capabilities by providing scalable resources for data storage, processing, and collaboration. In my teaching, I would incorporate platforms like AWS or Google Cloud to enable students to run simulations analyze large datasets, or collaborate on research projects in real time. I would design assignments that require students to leverage cloud services for their projects, thereby familiarizing them with essential tools and workflows in modern research. Additionally, I would emphasize the importance of cloud security and ethical considerations, preparing students for research in a technology-driven environment. Question 27. Describe a time you successfully implemented a new assessment strategy in an academic program. In my previous role, I implemented a competency-based assessment strategy to better evaluate students' practical skills. Traditional exams were replaced with project-based assessments, where students demonstrated their understanding through real-world applications. I developed clear rubrics to ensure transparency in grading and provided students with opportunities for self-assessment and peer feedback. This approach not only increased student engagement but also improved learning outcomes, as students could see the direct relevance of their work. The success of this strategy was evident through improved performance metrics and positive feedback from both students and faculty. Question 28. What challenges have you faced when integrating interdisciplinary approaches in academic curricula, and how did you overcome them? One major challenge in integrating interdisciplinary approaches is aligning the goals and methodologies of different departments. To overcome this, I facilitated collaborative meetings among faculty from various disciplines to discuss common objectives and potential overlaps in curriculum. We developed joint projects that encourage students to apply concepts from multiple fields, fostering a holistic learning experience. Additionally, I created a feedback loop for continuous improvement, allowing faculty to adapt and refine interdisciplinary initiatives based on student performance and engagement. This collaborative framework ultimately led to a richer educational experience for students. Question 29. How would you approach mentoring a student struggling with both academic performance and personal challenges? Mentoring a struggling student requires empathy, active listening, and a tailored approach. I would begin by establishing a trusting relationship, offering a safe space for the student to share their academic and personal challenges. Understanding their specific needs allows me to provide appropriate resources, whether academic support services, counseling, or time management workshops. Setting achievable goals and regularly checking in on their progress helps build confidence and accountability. Encouraging open communication and being flexible in deadlines can also alleviate pressure, ultimately supporting the student's overall well-being and academic success. Question 30. What tools or technologies do you find most effective for fostering collaboration among students in a remote learning environment? In a remote learning environment, tools like Zoom for live discussions, Slack for ongoing communication, and collaborative platforms like Google Workspace or Microsoft Teams are essential. I also utilize project management tools like Trello or Asana to help students organize group assignments and set deadlines. Incorporating breakout rooms during live sessions allows smaller groups to engage in focused discussions. To enhance collaboration, I encourage students to share their screens for real-time feedback. Regularly emphasizing the importance of collaboration and communication skills prepares students for future teamwork in professional settings. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.